Yamna hai singna thabak taubana lamda masigi medical students sing amadi professional singbu mapangi miyamna thak wangna khanari bani haina Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendrana phongdokre wafam asing ngasi Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science Jenims ki kumja lisengnik batarani pantra mapangi MBBS amadi BDS ki graduation program ama institute asigi main auditorium da pangthokiba thoramaduga mari leinena phongdokhibani thoramaduda Jenims ki medical superintendent KS Lokesh Jenims ki Din Supriya Laifangbam amadi Jenims Dental College ki principal Nidars di Hetsna athoiba mithunglen oina saruk yaki kumja lising ani gatara nipan tramapan batch ki MBBS mahiroi chama amadi BDS ki yankhai puna mahiroi chama ga yankhai na Jenims gi graduation loikibaga mari leinana thoramaduda mahiroi chama ga yankhai da makhoi gi graduation certificate amadi chamlaba khudol su tamkibaga loinana pass tawraba mahiroi singna makhoi gi Hippocratic oath su lauki and Lokendra High Jenims ki mahiroi chama ga yankhai graduate tawba ngamliba asi institute asigi teaching Pigani institution asigi teaching and non-teaching staff mahiroi singi family amadi mahiroi singi hona jamani NEET pass tawduna Jenims gi graduation loisinba haibasi yamna luba tawdang amani masi mahiroi singi khangba kanba thongna faba amadi discipline aduna ngamlibani medical care gi lamda leidiba thomi singna anaba layengba khaktana makhoi gi mathong nate anaba adu luna jana nungsina loina duna makhoi gi awaba kauhanba sisu maruiba tawdang amani amadi medical line da ahong kaya lay anoba hidak anoba layeng pathap anoba layna kaya ama thoklakpa sina lepa laytana makhata na tamsinba haijinba mathau tai haiki
Your teachers, parents, and other parents do in various ways, both direct and indirect, help all of you in reaching this stage of your academic journey. I am honored to be here to be a part of your journey and to celebrate your achievements. Medical professionals outside the state used to talk very highly about medical students from Manipur for their skill and proficiency in this particular trade. I am proud of your accomplishments. Medical professionals deserve commendation for transforming the healthcare sector in the state of Manipur. I would like to thank all of you for making and for transforming Manipur from an AIDS and cancer capital to the sports powerhouse of this big country.